VIDIZMO grants the user an extensive monitoring mechanism for the resources being consumed in their account by providing the ability to set billing alerts. Organizations can create multiple thresholds by setting certain percentages of the allowed package limits for which the consumption is being incurred. This caters to the needs of organizations in preventing overages and additional cost peaks at the end of their billing period by receiving email notifications whenever a threshold set for a particular resource is exceeded. In this video, we will be looking at configuring thresholds for billing alerts in VIDIZMO. From the portal's homepage, click on the navigation menu on the top left corner and click on Portal Settings under the Admin tab. From the Portal Settings navigation, expand the Account tab and select Billing Alerts. Now click on Add Alerts to set thresholds for billing alerts. Expand the billing category drop-down and select any billing category you want to set an alert on. Now select any billing resource you want to set an alert on. Now enter the percentage of allowed limit you want to set an alert on the selected billing category and resource. By the way, the range of percentage that can be set for any resource alert is 0.01% to 65,000%. To add thresholds, click on Save to add the threshold. You can keep saving multiple thresholds. Once you are done adding all thresholds required, select Save and close to close the modal on the right of the threshold you want to delete. On the confirmation prompt, select Delete to confirm the deletion of threshold. Expand the menu on the top right corner where the username is displayed and from My Profile tab, select Notification Settings. Navigate to the Portal tab in the Notification Settings, enable or disable the billing threshold reached event as required. Once you are done, click on Update to save the changes. By the way, subscribing to the billing threshold reached event enables an administrator to subscribe to alerts for the threshold set in an account. Any administrator who does not wish to receive billing alerts email can disable it. Well, that's all for this video. Check out some of the other guides to learn more about VIDIZMO. Stay tuned until next time.